Hello, in this video I am going to show you the steps I took to install a K7 rear view camera on a 2016 Ford Transit 350 HD. First, we unboxed the product. We find some informational material, technical support, some basic information regarding install. We have all the materials necessary to wire and install the camera. Here's the suction adapter for the camera stand. We have the camera itself. Finally, we have the cord for the monitor's 12-volt power supply. In the van, I take off the side panels just above the 12-volt power supply, from which I will be tapping power for the camera. The red wire is the live or positive wire. The blue wire is the negative or ground wire. First, I need to test and validate that power actually exists on the power terminal. Next, I power up the monitor for the first time. See that it lights up, and do some preliminary configuration such as brightness and display size, those sorts of things. I then continue on working on my electrical connections. Typically, the rear view camera is made to work when the vehicle is engaged in reverse. But not this time. The rear view camera will be on all the time while the vehicle is running. This gives the driver a constant view of the rear, which is difficult to do with this larger van. This time I test if there is power on the wires that I just connected. Next, I shall work on installing the monitor. I improvised by installing a plastic base for the suction cup. This base is glued to the windshield with the use of double-sided tape. This prevents the suction cup from detaching from the windshield with changes in temperature between the inside and outside of the glass. Now it's time to wire the monitor for power. A 12-volt power supply already exists on the ceiling shelf. All I need to do is install a Y connector from which this monitor will tap its power. The display monitor is now installed and wired for power. Now we need to install the rear view camera. While the camera was made for outdoor installation, I decided to install it inside the van, which will require less cleaning. The transmitter is now wired for power, and so is the camera. Because of loose plastic which came with the wiring, I need to secure it with foam to prevent it from rattling around behind the wall. Now it's time to put Humpty Dumpty back together again. Now a final check on the rear view camera's operation.